Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University Blida 2 in Algeria. Today we're going to present our ninth lecture titled What is a Data Analysis Tool? So I have divided my ninth lecture uh, into the following elements as follows. What is a data analysis tool? What are the main benefits of implementing a data analysis tool? Language activities, including your building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So, what is a data analysis tool? A data analysis tool is a software that helps an organization collect and analyze data. Many analysis tools provide several functions and features for different business operations. By reviewing the various tools available, you can determine which one might be appropriate for your workplace. What are the main benefits of implementing a data analysis tool? The typical benefits of implementing a data analysis tool: visualize complex data, collect data efficiently, scale data with the business, manage data effectively, and finally, make informed decisions. Language activities. The word analysis, plural analyses, as accountable and uncountable noun, means the detailed study or examination of something in order to understand more about it, the result of the study. For examples, we made a decision based on our analysis of the situation. More analysis has been done on the process of aging. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.